What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw the Roadrunner from Looney Tunes. Now the best place to start a drawing is at the top of our page right in the center with the mouth. Let's start right up here, start with a point. Now from here I'm just going to curve the mouth coming down and then up towards the left. Let's go back to the center and do the same thing on the right, coming down and then up. Now I want to close off the corners of the mouth with the bracket. So we're going to step in, just bump this up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the center of the mouth, we're going to step up, bump this up, and then out towards the cheek. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Now let's round out the cheek. Come around and then down. And then we'll close off the bottom with a curve, starting back over on the left, then it's down in the middle, and then up on the right. Now I'm going to move back up to the top and draw in the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going up. I'm just going to round up the left eye along the top, come down, and just bend that back in. Now along that center line, we're going to go up, round up the right eye, come down, and then bend that in. Let's push the pupils towards the inside. On the left, we're going to draw a small oval. And line that up on the right. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Now I'm going to add a thick brow across the top of the eyes. We're going to start on the top left, go up, come down along the side, and then in. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Going up, down, and then in. Along the bottom of the brow, we're going to step up, curve the head, coming down and out on top of the cheeks. Now we're going to add those feathers across the top of the head. Let's start on top of the left brow. It's going to start by going out towards the left, go up and over towards the right. Let's round up the end and just pull that back across. Let's add another feather. We're going to go up, out towards the right, round up the end, and then pull that back in. Let's add another one bending over and down towards the right. Again, rounding this out, and go up, and then hook that in. Let's add one more large feather, going around, up. Now we just want to bend that in. And we'll add one small one along the bottom. Going out, bend that in, and we'll just bend that back down on top of the right brow. Let's move underneath the head and draw the side of the neck. We'll step over toward the left side, bend the neck coming in, and then down. Let's go back up to the top right, come in, and then down toward the same height. Now I'm going to tuck the body in behind the neck. We're going to step up on the left, bend this out, come around, and then in. Let's line this up on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to step up and add a curve, going down and then up. And then in the center, we're going to draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's round up the bottom of the feet. From the center, we start with the left side, come down and then up toward the left, go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Let's add a fold across the toe. From here, we're going to step up, curve down, and then out. Let's round out the toe, come in, and then down, aiming towards the heel. Let's add one more toe in behind. Starting from the side, we're going to go out, then it's up, and then down again, aiming towards the heel. Now let's go back up to the body and bend the outside of the leg. We're going to start on the left, we're going to step out, come in towards that center line, come all the way down, and then just bend that out on top of the toes. And do the exact same thing on the right. Let's separate the top of the legs with a curve, starting with the left and then the right. Let's add a sharp claw on the tip of each toe, going down and back in. Let's move back to the side of the body and tuck the wings in behind. We're gonna start on the top left, go up, round at the wing, and just pull that in towards the side. Let's line this up on the right. And now we want to angle the tail out on the left side. Let's start from the top of the body on the left, then this up, just across the side of the head, and then out towards the end of the tail. Now from the end, we're just going to round this out, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to add a series of various size feathers coming back in towards the body. So let's add a small one. We go up, round this out, and then pull that back in. Let's add another one. A smaller one on the end. Go a little bit bigger. Now just going to work our way back down towards the bottom. Let's add a couple of small ones along the bottom. And then we'll finish off by sounding our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Roadrunner from Looney Tunes. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.